Alright, what's up everybody in the EV community? We have a tip today for you guys about the current state of Tesla's home charging situation. And there's a small trend developing that people should be aware of. We have just learned the hard way that Teslas are no longer sold with multiple adapters in the charging kit that comes with the car. So let's get right into it. Okay, so we just took delivery of our brand new Raven Model X, and at home we installed a 1450 adapter just like everybody else does, and all should be good. Well, that's what we thought also. What has stopped being included in the kit, the charging kit, is the 1450 adapter. You still get the mobile connector, you still get everything else, you even get the 110 volt which takes 4 days to charge your car, but you don't get the 1450 adapter. Just the basic one. We thought it was missing. We found out from Tesla it is no longer included. It's a minor disappointment, no big deal. So we ordered from Tesla website. Well, Tesla website's about 3 weeks out from shipping. Still no big deal, right? 3 weeks is a long time to wait. Checked eBay, no luck on eBay. One guy selling one for triple the amount, not really luck there. Returned to Tesla's website a few hours later. The item is now completely sold out. Still didn't panic. A little bit of worry. Besides the obvious options like supercharging and slow charging on the 110 for 4 days, the Tesla offers a $520 charger that includes the 1450. But these aren't really the cheaper, convenient solutions that I was looking for. And without going into solutions like this, or like this, there seemed to be only one option. There was one really good solution. It's the 650 adapter. And if you are in this situation, I would pick up the 650 adapter very quickly before they sell out. Also, a lot of stuff on their website is selling out quickly, and that's this trend that I was referring to. They charge an equal rate to the 1450. The 650 and the 1450, they're equal to each other. It's just a different wall adapter at home. So you change your home adapter, you order a different adapter, you have a $35 solution to this problem. The 650 adapter will work. It is in stock on the Tesla website. For now, it is still in stock, making it the cheapest and fastest charging solution that is currently available. Now there's other adapters on the Tesla website. This is not the only one, it's just the only one that is equal to the 1450. All the other adapters will still charge your car, just at a slower rate. So, Tesla sold about 30,000 cars that I can add up so far with this new setup adapter that's missing the 1450 adapter. It's quickly reflecting on its website, its online store. It's selling out of home wall chargers, it's selling out of charging adapters, it's selling out of the 520 one that comes with the adapter is now sold out. So it's quickly selling out of all options. I'd recommend picking up a 650 adapter as quickly as possible before it goes sold out. It is the only solution currently available for this problem. If you're picking up a new Tesla, install a 650 at home before you do, and you'll be set instead of installing the 1450. They're basically equal. Thanks for watching. Our new video is coming out real soon on how to fix failed updates or prevent updates from failing in the first place. It should be soon. Thanks for watching Tips for Tesla. We'll see you next time.